What if I told you there is a YouTube niche paying creators $47 per 1,000 views? That means if your video gets just 10,000 views, you earn $470 from that single video, while most creators in entertainment niches earn $3 or less for the same 10,000 views. The difference is not talent. It is not luck. It is not the number of subscribers. It is the niche you are in. Most beginner creators pick their niche based on what they enjoy watching. Comedy, gaming, reaction videos, daily vlogs. All of these feel natural and fun to create. But advertisers do not care about fun. Advertisers pay for attention from people who are ready to spend money. Entertainment viewers are not in buying mode. That is why entertainment channels earn almost nothing from AdSense despite millions of views. You work harder, you post more, but the income never matches the effort. Here is the mindset shift that changes everything. Stop thinking about what you want to create. Start thinking about what advertisers want to pay for. Advertisers pay the most for audiences who are actively solving a problem or making a financial decision. Think about it. Who pays more for a customer? A gaming company or a bank? The bank, every single time, because their customer is worth thousands of dollars. So what is the $47 niche? Personal finance and investing. Videos about budgeting, credit scores, index funds, and retirement planning attract the highest paying advertisers on the platform. Banks, insurance companies, and investment platforms bid against each other to reach your viewers. That competition drives your CPM through the roof. The second high-paying niche is software and technology. SaaS companies, that means software subscription businesses, pay enormous advertising fees because one customer can be worth thousands per year. Tutorials, reviews, and comparisons of software tools earn between $20 and $60 per 1,000 views. The third niche is online business and entrepreneurship. Starting a business, dropshipping, e-commerce, and freelancing channels attract buyers, not browsers. These viewers have credit cards open and are actively looking for the next tool or service to invest in. That makes every single view worth dramatically more to an advertiser. Now, here is where it gets even better for you, specifically as a creator in this niche. You do not need to be a finance expert to create finance content. AI tools like ChatGPT can research, outline, and script an entire finance video for you in under 10 minutes. 11 Labs gives you a professional voiceover that sounds nothing like a robot. Pictory or InVideo turns your script into a full video with visuals automatic. You can run a high CPM finance channel completely faceless without ever showing your face or using your real voice. The AI does the research. The AI writes the script. The AI generates the voice. You just manage the system. So how do you actually start? Step 1. Pick one specific angle within the niche. Do not try to cover all of personal finance. Pick credit scores or index funds, or budgeting for beginners. Specific channels grow faster and rank easier because the algorithm knows exactly who to show your videos to. Step 2. Study the top 5 channels in your chosen sub-niche. Look at their titles, their thumbnails, and the structure of their top-performing videos. Do not copy them. Understand the formula they are using, then apply it with your own unique angle. Step 3. Use AI to produce your first 10 videos before you judge your results. Most creators quit after 3 videos because they see no results. The YouTube algorithm needs at least 10 videos to understand your channel and start distributing it properly. Here is the part nobody talks about. High CPM does not mean instant money. You still need to get monetized. You still need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But here's the key difference. Once you hit monetization in a high CPM niche, the reward is 10 times larger. The effort to get there is the same. The income when you arrive is completely different. That is the smartest decision you can make before you record your very first video. Most creators choose their niche based on passion. Smart creators choose it based on the data. You can still be passionate about a high CPM niche. Finance, tech, and business are genuinely interesting fields. But if you are going to spend months building a channel, you deserve to be in a niche where the effort pays off at the highest possible rate. Now, you know the niche, you know the formula, you know the tools. The only thing left is the decision to actually start